WordPress hosting providers 101. Best WordPress hosting for beginners. There are numerous hosting providers that offer WordPress hosting services, each with its own set of features, pricing plans, and performance levels. Here are some popular WordPress hosting providers. 1. Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the officially recommended hosting providers by WordPress.org. They offer a range of WordPress hosting plans, including shared hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and WooCommerce hosting. Bluehost is known for its reliability, affordability, and user-friendly interface. 2. SiteGround. SiteGround is another top choice for WordPress hosting, offering managed WordPress hosting plans with features like automatic updates, caching, and staging environments. SiteGround is known for its excellent customer support, performance, and security measures. 3. HostGator. HostGator provides various hosting solutions, including shared hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and dedicated servers. Their managed WordPress hosting plans offer features such as automatic backups, caching, and one-click WordPress installation. HostGator is known for its affordability and reliability. 4. WP Engine. WP Engine is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider known for its high-performance infrastructure, security measures, and developer-friendly features. Their plans include features like automatic scaling, daily backups, and staging environments. WP Engine is suitable for businesses and high-traffic websites. 5. DreamHost. DreamHost offers managed WordPress hosting plans with features like automatic updates, free SSL certificates, and unlimited bandwidth. They also provide a website builder and domain registration services. DreamHost is known for its commitment to privacy, transparency, and customer satisfaction. 6. Kinsta. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider known for its high-performance infrastructure, scalability, and developer-friendly features. Their plans include features like automatic backups, security scans, and staging environments. Kinsta is suitable for businesses and high-traffic websites. 7. Flywheel. Flywheel offers managed WordPress hosting plans designed for designers, freelancers, and agencies. Their plans include features like easy site management, collaboration tools, and automated backups. Flywheel is known for its user-friendly interface and excellent customer support. 8. Liquid Web. Liquid Web offers managed WordPress hosting plans with features like automatic updates, staging sites, and proactive security measures. They also provide dedicated servers and cloud hosting solutions for businesses with high-performance needs. When choosing a WordPress hosting provider, consider factors such as server performance, uptime reliability, customer support quality, ease of use, pricing, scalability, and additional features offered. It's also a good idea to read reviews and testimonials from other users to get an idea of the hosting provider's reputation and customer satisfaction.